As you know, penny rounding is a hot topic around retail, and we have a solution that you probably saw in a previous video to enable penny rounding. So today we want to look at how that affects the cashier. So if you remember from our previous video, when setting up penny rounding, there was a few options. You had to choose whether or not you wanted to notify the customer, if you wanted to automatically round, if you're rounding, are we going to use midpoint? Are we rounding up? Are we rounding down? And then what our round departments were. From a cashier's perspective, how it affects the sale is this. So as the cashier rings up the sale, and they go to subtotal, if notify the customer is enabled, at that point a prompt will appear asking if the customer is okay with rounding. If automatic rounding is enabled, the rounding is going to happen. Remember, if midpoint's enabled, 1 and 2 round down, 3 and 4 round up. Otherwise, it's going to follow the explicit rounding rules you defined. Now don't forget, you can also assign a loyalty campaign to these roundings. So if you choose to always round up, which we recommend, you could tie a loyalty campaign to that department and then reward those customers with the round amount every time they purchase. Hopefully that eases any concerns about penny rounding and makes sense to both you and your cashiers. Don't forget to check out our full video suite at FTx Academy and visit us online at goftx.com. Until next time, take care.